Hi everyone, my name is Donis Dianderas. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Juega Julián, a project born from a very personal motivation. I'm going to share how my 5 years old son tries the project.
Presiona. Po. Ese.
Muy bien.
Presiona. Po. Ese.
Correcto.
Sopa.
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 ¿Con qué empieza?
Sopa. El no dice sopa. Sapo. Ese.
Muy bien.
Presiona.
Pa.
Pa. El no dice pa. Aquí. Presiona.
Tú.
Tú. Quiero estrella. Quiero estrella.
This is my homepage. It was inspired about Mario Bros. My son absolutely adores Mario Bros. But when it comes to mathematics, well, let's just say it's not his favorite adventure. As a father and developer apprentice, I wanted to bridge his two worlds. To create a game where learning feels just like a fun quest. Today, I show you how Juega Julián came to live, an application that combines my passion for programming with my dream of seeing him learn with joy. On the home page, we have these two age-catching displays that ask if we want to learn by playing with addition or learn to read through play. The first game is called Mario Math Adventure. It's like a little journey of Mario along a number line. At the beginning, or when Mario hits a question mark box, a math problem, maybe addition or subtraction, will appear at the top of the screen. In this example is solve 0 plus 2 is equal to question. Mario will be standing on the first number of the problem, in this case 0. The mission is to move Mario along the number line from 0 to 10 using the arrow keys in our keyboards, left or right, in this case is right, or by sweeping if we use a phone or tablet. In this case, move Mario to the number that the user thinks is correct. Once Mario is on the number you choose, press the enter key. In this case, 2, and my answer is correct. The game will tell you whether your answer was correct or maybe incorrect. If you're right, you'll see a coin, your score will increase. If not, you'll have to try it again. For example, 2 minus 1, maybe a mistake is incorrect. After the correct answer of if you made a mistake and want to continue, a new problem will appear so you, Mario, can keep learning and playing. Basically, it's a game where you solve math problems by moving Mario along a number line. And the second game is about to read. It's called Learn to Read with Julián. The game Learn to Read with Julián is an adventure where you help Julián learn words and syllables. When the game starts, you'll see a word or syllable on the screen. Okay, I press the button Start Game, and we can see the first syllables. Sometimes with a picture to help you. There's also a play sound, in this case,
pa,
and we can hear how it is pronounced. Below, you'll see several buttons with different syllables or words. Only one of them is the correct answer for what you see or hear. You have to click on the button you think is the correct answer. The game will tell you if you got it right or not. If this is correct, you hear a happy sound, your rating score will go up, and you'll move on the next question. In this case, is the another syllables. If you get it wrong, you hear a different sound and get another chance to try it. For example, if I choose that's incorrect. Each time you answer correctly, the game will show you a new word or syllable so you can practice it. And we can see our score. I use a local storage to keep our new score. It is a fun game where you listen to words and syllables, see them sometimes with a picture, and choose the correct option to learn how to read. Okay, another word. Here I'm going to continue playing. It's really funny for me and for my son. It's interesting. For example, it's a complicated word for a key.
toma,
This is the structure for my program. My main folder is called Juega Julián. Into this folder, I got a lot of other folders, and for example, my main folder is called Source SRC, and I used to build my program. I use Vite, and its configuration is like this. I use this code viteconfig.js, and for example, to define config is the root where the program is going to looking for the data. The data is in the folder src, this folder. And what extensions we use? GS, MGS, JSON, HTML. And what is the folder to Destiny? Is the folder called dist. That is important destination because I'm using Netlify and this server looking for this destination called dist. And my rollup options is about my HTML page. I got a 3 page. The first one is the home page, is here in the folder src index HTML. For the Mario Math Adventures, this is the HTML source math and its index. In the case of Learn to Read with Julian, this is the index. Okay, then. And I'm going to show my home page. This is my home page. I use API for the letters, the typology of letters. I'm using this type of letters. My program calls my main.js. And my main.js call or import this function. This is a template for my header and my footer. This is in utils mjs. It's a modular JavaScript, and then call the function. And I use a lot of models. For example, for my audio, I use API calls tone.js. For my mathematics, I use the API party first called math.js, and this is how can I to build all my structure in my program.